Installing your Brondell handheld bidet holster with integrated shutoff is quick and easy. Follow these steps to install and use your bidet. First, remove your existing toilet seat and thoroughly clean your toilet. Turn off the water supply at the shutoff valve on the wall to stop the flow of water to the toilet. Flush your toilet holding down the handle until the water is fully drained out of the toilet tank. Disconnect water supply hose from the toilet tank. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Check to ensure the rubber washer sits flat inside of the provided T-valve. Connect the T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Reconnect the flexible water supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. Place the bidet holster on the toilet so the mounting slots line up with the holes on the toilet. Replace your toilet seat back on the toilet over the bidet holster. Make sure to tighten so that the holster and seat do not move. Connect one end of the braided metal hose to the incoming water connection on the side of the holster, and connect the opposite end of the hose to the open outlet on the T-valve. Connect your handheld bidet sprayer to the sprayer hose. Connect the open end of the sprayer hose to the water outlet connection on the bottom of the holster. Place the handheld bidet sprayer in the holster slot. Open the main water supply valve on the wall slowly and check for leaks. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, check again, and if there are no leaks, continue. Turn on the integrated shutoff faucet handle located on the metal holster. Remove the sprayer from the holster and use in normal fashion. When finished, replace the sprayer in the holster and turn off the integrated shutoff faucet handle. Warning: the faucet handle must be turned off after each use. Failure to turn off after each use may cause flooding and water damage. If the product will not be used for more than a few weeks, you may consider shutting the water supply off at the wall as an additional precaution. Congratulations! Your Brondell handheld bidet holster installation is complete. Please refer to the owner's manual for instructions on how to properly operate and maintain your holster and bidet.